Hi and hello everyone. Welcome to Trending Videos. Today we are going to show you how to convert mobile talk time to data for TashiCell users. It is not that tough. We will explain you in a very simplistic language. Before we begin, we assume that you have talk time balance in your account and that you are struck to convert your talk time balance to data, so that you can explore internet, browse something on the phone, or stay connected with your closed ones through social media. First thing first, please ensure that your TashiCell SIM card is activated with mobile internet, either with 2G or 3G or 4G. Know that you can browse TashiCell mobile internet in two ways. One is pay-per-use, in which you pay as and when you use mobile internet, and the other one is subscribing to data plans, and we recommend you to activate data plans as you get better data packages in the form of different data plans like this. These are different data plans offered by TashiCell. For example, you see a plan named Oza plan in serial number 3. Just in Ultram 99, you get 1024 megabytes data volume valid for 1 month. Similarly, explore for other data plans. Now you know about the advantages of subscribing data plans. We will show you how to subscribe this data plans without having to visit TashiCell office or calling TashiCell contact center for help. First step is that you have to subscribe to TashiCell data plan by dialing *766*1#. This will take you to this pop-up menu to choose one of the data plan that you prefer activating in your number. Since I already explained about this data plans, you choose one of them and then dial the number given against your preferred data plan. Giving you the same example, you prefer activating DAZA plan, which cost you Ultram 99, simply dial the number given against it, that is number 3, and then press the send button below it. Hence you will get a success message from TashiCell like the one on the screen. Hence, you are done with it and good to enjoy your mobile internet. The other step is for the ones who already have one of the data plans activated, and want to activate another one because your existing data volume is exhausted. They simply have to unsubscribe the existing data plan once by dialing *766*2#. You will get a message stating that your data plan is successfully unsubscribed. Thereafter, you simply have to subscribe again by dialing *766* and then follow the subsequent instructions explained earlier. If you ever want to check your data balance, you can do that by dialing *766*4# and then get a message about your data balance. That's it, and quite simple, right? And we hope it helps our viewers. Let us know in the comments section below if we need to come up with similar video in the future. Suggest us the topic. We'll take care of the rest. Final thank you. Subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to keep you informed about all our future videos.